Good day, Norwegians! I'm Maria Krisha D. Guzon.
And I am Carlouie A. Pipito.
Now, we're going to visit the famous delicacy here in Calbayog, the chicken pastel or the pater.
It is famous because it is accessible and because of its taste, it can hook someone's attention. So we're here in Pateran Halal Food, which is located to Asi Street, Calbayog City. So let's go! So hello Norwegians, so I'm with Ma'am Sarah, one of the owner of the Pateran Halal Food.
So, Mom, when did this business started?
Nag-start ini siya year 2010.
So we all know that there is a lot of stores na may Pateran, right? So nano man ang gibalik-balikan sa mga customer? Nano man ang what is your specialty or sino nano man ang nagiging pa-special sinina pater?
Siguro sa recipe. Sa recipe may da kami pinakasikreto nga recipe. So tanan manggod nga may da manggod talaga iton. Asya lang.
Okay, so nano man ani mo message ma'am sa mga future customers o sa mga customers nga ongoing gapon nag-account sa iyo Pateran?
Sa mga future customers namon, tasan mga customers namon yan nga bisan damo na kami kompetensya, nabalik lagi hapon. Salamat. Tapos kung nanuan gitikangan namon nga serbisyo nga sanan iyo na tilawan nga nanamsan original good nga pater, maula good gihapon na namon may hatag sa iyo. Plus ang presyo nga pangmasa.
Yes.
So the price is affordable. So sa mga students dida, so you can visit the Pateran Halal Food. Thank you very much Ma'am Sarah. Thank you very much. Thank you po.
So, sir, ano pong masasabi niyo about sa Pateran Halal Food?
So one of a loyal customer of Pateran Halal Food. Their delicacy is very delicious and it tastes good. And just like what Ate Sarah said earlier, their price is very affordable and pangmasa talaga.
So we're done visiting the Pateran Halal Food here in Calbayog City.
One of the famous delicacy here in Calbayog, Region 8.
So thank you very much. I am Carlouie A. Pipito.
I am Maria Krisha D. Guzon.
Thanks for bearing with us. See you at the next episode of The Food Enthusiast.